Toyo Tanso products are widely used in semiconductor manufacturing. This video introduces the susceptors used in semiconductor manufacturing. Toyo Tanso handles everything from material production to machining and treatment. Toyo Tanso susceptors offer high precision and excellent etching resistance. The precision of the susceptor is extremely important as it directly affects the uniformity of heat treatment and film deposition. Our susceptors feature excellent pocket shape accuracy, enabling uniform heat transfer to the wafer and consistent film deposition. We offer a variety of coatings, allowing you to select one suited to your specific gas. We offer a variety of coatings, including permacoat with silicon carbide coating, everred coat with tantalum carbide coating, and pyrograph with pyrolytic carbon coating. Toyo Tanso provides comprehensive support from proposal to after sales. Please feel free to contact us anytime. Thank you for watching. Please check out our other videos.